Hello, my name is Christopher Moore. My partners are Ilyana Smit and Kyung Young. This is Case B, New Artificial Intelligence Tools Make Business Intelligence Smarter. What is the main theme in this article, and how is the theme related to this course? The main theme in this article is artificial intelligence integration into business intelligence. Throughout the article, it talks about the ways that artificial intelligence tools can make business intelligence smarter as well as more useful. Artificial intelligence is rapidly changing different industries. Artificial intelligence rapidly changes industries that are heavily regulated, such as healthcare, financial services, life sciences, and the trading industry. Artificial intelligence is driving modern business decision-making. Artificial intelligence is also affecting every aspect of modern business. Before artificial intelligence entered the business world, executives relied on incomplete and inconsistent data. Today, artificial intelligence is based on big data, pursuing it and breaking it down into actionable insights to help executives make decisions. Artificial intelligence provides better insights now than ever before. In essence, artificial intelligence is the automation of the largest decision sequence derived from descriptive analysis. Its intelligence comes from the ability to provide real-time feedback data to enhance the canonical model. How this theme relates to the course is through the information the article about artificial intelligence and its effect on businesses. So far in our textbooks that we have for this course, there have been quite a bit about artificial intelligences. As we have gone over what artificial intelligences are, the major benefits of artificial intelligence, the landscape, societal impacts, and more, and that was just in the first chapter. The analysis that affects artificial intelligence not only predicts what will happen, but also explains why it happens. We also learned about support vector machines versus neural networks, which provides insight on how emerging analytics companies are developing their methods. What are the principal implications for business organizations? Artificial intelligence can improve business capabilities to collect and sort data through predictive features to best match their capabilities. Businesses need artificial intelligence-driven business tools that help digest all data and provide tailored insights. Big data is growing at an unprecedented rate and can easily affect a company's operations. However, investing in artificial intelligence-based business software can help companies break down data into manageable insights. The alarming speed and growth of big data on the field makes it difficult to make strategic decisions in a timely manner. However, due to the leaps of artificial intelligence, business intelligence tools provide powerful dashboards that connect managers with the business insights they need for alerts and critical decisions. Artificial intelligence-based software has brought about tremendous changes in the business world. Despite the embarrassing future, companies must remember to use artificial intelligence-based tools that will keep them competitive in technology-driven business areas. It can also change how business organizations do things. For example, using artificial intelligence and machine learning to improve care for patients. In the article, a hospital uses services provided by the company DataRobot to analyze its clients. It was mentioned that this was used to help with reducing readmittance rates and was so impactful that it made a huge improvement of over 2% in total readmittance rates. This is very important with a large company in the massive healthcare industry. A quote from datarobot.com says that some readmittance cases may be due to physical downturn, abusive relationships, or chronic diseases, allowing providers to take action before the patient is discharged. One of the things that stuck out to me that it seems to imply that artificial intelligence can actually identify abusive relationships and allow a course of action to get the patient help and possibly involve the authorities. This increases the overall quality of patient care with a side effect of better social justice. What are your predictions for the evolution impact of any technology listed in this article? The use of artificial intelligence will grow, change, and develop as more people or business organizations start using them to improve efficiency and/or productivity. This was from Chapter 1, Section 1.7, and page 56 of our textbook. Industries cannot ignore the potential benefits of artificial intelligence, especially its increased productivity gains, cost reduction, and quality, and speed. For example, health and medical care. Another prediction is natural language processing that will enable users to ask questions in plain English, which will help to continue to grow and expand AI capabilities. Benevolent AI, for example, uses natural language processing to sift through published literature, such as chemical libraries, medical databases, and scientific papers, to draw conclusions about possible new drug candidates. Artificial intelligence is the capacity to do the right thing at the right time in the context where doing nothing, making no change in behavior, would be worse. Optimistic remarks on healthcare and the many possible applications of artificial intelligence in diagnosing and treating patients or helping senior citizens live fuller and healthier lives. They were also enthusiastic about artificial intelligence's role in contributing to broad public health programs built around massive amounts of data that may be captured in the coming years about everything from personal genomes to nutrition. One of the most futuristic applications of artificial intelligence is referred to as artificial general intelligence. This is to create a more robust intelligence system that can replace humans in all matters, even in sifting through hospital patient data to diagnose things such as heart disease and cancer, and even recommend treatment. Right now, a very robust use of an artificial general intelligence system is AlphaStar, a neural network that plays a strategy game that previously was unable to be played by artificial intelligence when in human constraints. This was created with the equivalent of 200 years of training. In the future, these neural networks can be used to better mimic the thought processes of humans in order to do everything we are capable of, but better. Thank you.